I want the hat off.
Alright, we'll take it off.
Alright, Stark.
Let's not do it on this.
Yeah, take it down. Make him wait for it, though.
Let's do it on the tarp. Come here, Starky.
Back up. Stark, back up.
Sit up.
Good.
Wait. Okay.
Oh, birthday cake for Stark.
Duck cake.
Duck cake. Mm.
Oh, yeah.
Good thing we have this tarp in here, huh, Stark? Since Stark is a good boy, we can touch his food, and he doesn't get feisty with us. Yes, your buddy. Yes, your buddy. Good boy. That's disgusting. Lick it off me. Come on, lick my hand. Come on, lick my hand. Good boy. Thank you. Mmm. Good Starky boy. Good boy. Good buddy.
Good Stark. Good boy. Smells disgusting.
Here, lick my hand, Stark. It's still dirty. Thank you. Clean me off.
This one's done, baby.
Starky's birthday.